Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and today we'll be talking about when, why, and how you can add a pre-poo into your wash day routine. So I've been horrible about pre-pooing my hair. I just have not done it as often as I should. But since it's getting colder and my hair is getting a little bit drier because of the weather, I'm definitely going to be better about it. So I've already made my DIY pre-poo concoction today. And if you're interested in how I made this, I do plan to post a tutorial next Sunday, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. But I am going to be using an aloe vera based pre-poo today. So the reason you want to pre-poo your hair is to help it when it is feeling a little bit drier before you shampoo your hair, because shampooing it can dry it out a little bit more. So it helps to add a little bit more moisture to your hair. And as the name implies, you do want to apply this before you shampoo your hair. Now, if you do live in an area that is very hot, humid, if you swim a lot, or if you just notice that your hair is feeling a little bit drier, then you definitely should think about adding a pre-poo to your wash day routine. In addition to adding a little bit of moisture, it helps to prime the hair as well. So when you're washing and conditioning and detangling your hair, you're manipulating your hair a lot, which could cause some breakage. So adding this to your hair helps to soften the hair and helps to prime it so that it doesn't break as much. So in addition to that, it can also help to begin the detangling process. So it can help to melt away some of those tangles that you may already have in your hair or prevent the hair from tangling a little bit more while you're shampooing. So the oils and other ingredients in there help to make that happen, and it helps to kind of like get the hair that is already tangled to kind of either shed if it needs to, or to just loosen up a little bit. And the last benefit is it helps to kind of break up the product buildup that you have in your scalp, on your scalp, or in your hair. So I will apply this to both my scalp and my hair today, which you'll see in just a second. And that is why I am doing so. So before you actually shampoo your hair, you'll want to make sure you make or purchase. They do also have a lot of pre-poos in the market that you can just purchase from the store, but I like to just make it because it's so quick and easy to do so. But before you shampoo, you want to make sure that you have one on hand and you want to section your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into sections. So I'm going to take the front and just put it into 2 sections in the front. And then the back will be in 2 sections once I'm ready to do that also. You can see it's definitely wash day. My hair is looking pretty dry right now. I'm actually, which I don't know, I don't think everybody does this, but I like to just dampen my hair a tiny bit. Like you see, just a couple of sprays for each section here, just to make the application process a little easier. And then I'm just going to take the pre-poo and I'm going to apply it to my scalp a little bit. So just a little bit there, because with oils and everything else, a little goes a long way. And then I'm going to put some in my hand too. Oh, the top isn't tight enough. And just apply it to my hair. So I want to make sure I'm getting all of my hair covered in the product. All right. And then really get my ends too, because that's where it's really dry. And since this is really a mixture of oils and then a little bit of aloe vera oil, it is very liquid, so it drips a lot. All right, so I think I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more underneath here, and then I'll move on to the next section. And that's really all that you need to do for this step. There are a couple more steps here. And it smells so good. I did put peppermint and rosemary in this, which smell amazing. So very happy about that. My hair can start smelling good before I even shampoo. Okay, so now I'm going to do the back, and then I might go over this one more time just to add a little bit more. All right, so again, just grabbing 2 sections in the back here and taking a lot of this mixture and rubbing it into the hair. Just feel like pouring it on is so much quicker and easier. Right. And then I'll do the last section here. This can get a little messy though, so I do it in the bathroom. Right, and then I didn't get the scalp in the back, so just making sure that I get the scalp there. Okay, so next step is to make sure that you are massaging it into the scalp to help to break up some of that product buildup. So I did get my scalp massager. I will link to this in the description box if you want to purchase it. It just makes it so much easier. I just turn it on medium or low speed, and I'll just go throughout my hair and do this. And this also helps to promote hair growth as well, because it helps to stimulate the blood in the scalp. So I would just do this for a couple of minutes, which I'm not going to make you all sit here and watch me do this the entire time, but you just want to make sure you're going throughout your entire head and breaking up the product buildup. So you'll just continue to do that. And then afterwards, you'll put your hair up, put it in a shower cap, and let it sit on your hair for at least 15 minutes. I'm going to do it for a couple of hours, and then you can go ahead and wash your hair. And that is all there is to it. Your hair will feel so much better after the shampoo process, and trust me, you will definitely thank me later. So I'm just gonna go through and add a little bit more to my hair off camera, but literally that is all you need to do. So again, make sure you stay tuned next week to see how I made this. It feels so good. It smells really good. So I don't want you all to miss out on that. And then you get to save some money too, so you don't have to go out and purchase these products that other companies are making. So thanks so much for watching today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.